Hello everyone, in today's smoothie recipe I'm going to show you how to make smoothies with frozen berries. This is a mixed berries smoothie. It's very delicious, very easy to make with all these simple berries to make our berry smoothie. I'm using strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, raspberries to make our smoothie. Very easy to make, and it's also a simple breakfast smoothie. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. For returning viewers and new subscribers, thanks so much for your support. I'm going to use all these my mixed berries, frozen mixed berries, to make my smoothie recipe. This recipe is very simple, very easy to make. Also, I will be using fresh banana, which is fresh ripe banana. You can as well use frozen banana as well, which is very ripe. So I'm going to add my frozen berries into my blender. I'm going to add my frozen berries, mixed frozen berries, into my blender, and as well I'm going to add my one banana. I already peeled it. I'm going to add it into my blender jar. I'll also be using 1 glass cup of milk, which is low fat milk. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of yogurt, vanilla yogurt, tablespoon 2, also 2 ice cube. Cover it. I'm going to cover it. Then we start making our smoothie recipe. Please remember to like this video. I'm going to blend until it's very smooth. Please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated of my new videos, and do not forget to drop down a comment down below. As well, share this smoothie recipe with your friends to enjoy this mixed berries smoothie recipe. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updated of my next smoothie recipe. Very simple, very delicious. This mixed frozen smoothie is very delicious. It's a mixed berries smoothie and it's very easy to make. Thanks so much for watching this my mixed berries smoothie, and hope to see you some other time in my next video. Please be safe out there, and bye bye.